The Cava House, a marvel nestled within the verdant forests of Jalisco, Mexico, is a testament to the art of architectural ingenuity. Mexican studio André Restelli has masterfully transformed a subterranean cave into a breathtaking wine cellar, a feat that harmoniously blends nature and human design. Instead of a conventional excavation, the team opted to preserve the cave's raw beauty, allowing its natural formations to dictate the wine storage layout. This approach pays homage to ancient winemaking traditions, where caves and quarries served as ideal cellars. Descending into the Cava House is akin to embarking on a subterranean journey. Wooden steps give way to stairs carved directly into the bedrock, leading visitors deeper into the earth. The cave's interior is a mesmerizing interplay of nature and human intervention. Metal shelves, seemingly suspended from the walls, cradle an impressive collection of wines, while a gated section safeguards other spirits. The subdued ambience is punctuated by strategic lighting, casting an ethereal glow upon the rocky walls. A tasting counter and well-stocked bar invite leisurely indulgence, transforming the wine cellar into a haven for connoisseurs. The Cava House is more than just an underground sanctuary. Its upper level, a spacious living area, echoes the earthy tones and organic forms of the cellar. Stone furniture seamlessly blends with the overall aesthetic, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. This residence is a remarkable example of how architects can elevate a project by respecting and enhancing the natural environment. The Cava House is not merely a dwelling, it is an experience, a celebration of both human creativity and the enduring allure of the earth.